Hello friends, so welcome to all of you. So let's start the today topic the EDI. आज हम EDI के बारे में बात करेंगे. What is EDI and what are the components we need to use in the daily life and what are the segment uh, strategy we need to use for the components. So these are the things we need to just concern regarding today topics: the definition, strategic importance, initial benefit of EDI, technical aspect of EDI, standardization, legal aspect of EDI, implementation, summary. Okay, so let's start. EDI क्या होता है? Okay, EDI commerce क्या है? EDI क्या चीज है? EDI is the normal things like it's the electronic data interchange, okay, which is generally used to communicate the uh, data from one company to another company, okay, and which this business document should be transferred from one company data to another company data, okay. So this is the very important things, and so everyone should be aware the EDA electronic mails, like it can be through via the emails, it can be through via the mm, SFTP, FTP. There's a multiple EDA protocols are available to in the daily life we generally use, okay. So electronic bulletin boards, electronic fund transfer, and other similar technology we use the EDI. Okay, so generally EDI, what is this EDI? EDI is the major part of electronic commerce, is the computer to computer exchange of business data in a standard format. Okay, so what is the standard format? Standard format is the format which is US healthcare in the America, they have just established a format which is called the transaction site. Okay, there is multiple types of transactions that are available in the EDI, so we can send the data generally for the information of the employees and clients in the pattern after the conventional paper document. Okay, such as a purchase order, invoice. It's a paperless trading. Okay, so what is the trading partner? So let's start. Trading partner क्या है? Trading partner is any company, government department, or commercial or non-commercial entity with whom an organization regularly exchange documents or formatted data. ओके, सो क्या होता है? ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर वो है जिसके थ्रू हम एक कंपनी के डेटा को दूसरे कंपनी के से एक बिजनेस डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ कमर्शियल इंफॉर्मेशन भी होती है, और उसको हम डेटा डॉक्यूमेंट को एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट के थ्रू. ओके, and trading partner agreement. What is the trading partner agreement? Trading partner agreement is a signed document between the trading partner, outline all the conditions that will allow electronic communication. The agreement state that the parties intend to be legally bound in the same manner as through they were exchanged paper documents. The signature on the agreement serves as substitute for signature on paper document. ओके, तो ये पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट रहते हैं जिसमें एग्रीमेंट साइन होता है, और उसके थ्रू हम चेक कर सकते हैं ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर दोनों जुड़ चुके हैं. ओके, तो मैपिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस मैपिंग? तो मैपिंग we generally use in the EDI for the process of taking the data from one company specific format to fitting into the EDI standard electronic format. Okay, एज ए पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजेक्शन सेट. जब हमको कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट मिलता है वेंडर की तरफ से, तो हम क्लाइंट या कैरियर की तरफ से मिलता है, तो हम उस डॉक्यूमेंट को फुलफिल करके, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करके, उसकी सारी डॉक्यूमेंट को रीड करने के बाद उस पर एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट लेआउट तैयार करते हैं, जिस जिसको तैयार करने के लिए मैपिंग की जरूरत होती है. ठीक है. एंड ट्रांजैक्शन सेट क्या है? ट्रांजैक्शन सेट ये स्टैंडर्ड ईडीआई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्मेट है जो कि में बिजनेस डॉक्यूमेंट को यूज बिजनेस डॉक्यूमेंट को देखने के बाद यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, एंड ट्रांसलेशन software. What is the translation software? Translation software is used to take the information from one flat data and convert it into the EDI standard format. Okay, so everyone are aware that the EDI standard format, the multiple standard are available in the market, generally used in the worldwide. Okay, VAN, value added network. What is this? This is the protocol for this is third party network performing service beyond the transmission of the data. ये डेटा को सेंड करने के काम आता है, ट्रांसमिट करने के काम आता है. For example, WAN provide the mailbox, data security, and data achieve services. Okay, many also offers email services as well. Okay, and WAN connection. What is this? The connection between the two WANs that allow messages from one WAN customer to be communicated to other customer on others. Okay, strategic importance initial time through the use of EDI companies able to improve their response time and decrease their time to market by accelerating the purpose order to invoice payment process from weekday to free week or day to hour even minute. Okay, even a minute, not only were they shorter, but they were also more accurate and reliable. Okay, service and market strategic importance initial. These are the things like service. Another benefit for the of these changes was the importance in customer service level. Okay, companies could then use these advantage to respond more quickly to news mm, and trends in the market. Okay, and cost benefit क्या होता है? These are the use of the EDI in innovative business programs such as just in time inventory management where possible. EDI and GIT allows companies to have more control over their inventory level and reduce their cost by the increasing inventory turn on डिक्रीजिंग द सेफ्टी स्टॉक. ठीक है, तो सेफ्टी स्टॉक को डिक्रीज करके टाइम को मैनेज करता है, ये कॉस्ट बेनिफिट है. ट्रांजेक्शन स्पीड क्या होती है? बेनिफिट है ईडीआई का. It's has greatly increased by the with the creation of EDI. EDI drastically reduce the problem by sending transaction electronically, where they can be sent and received almost simultaneously. Okay, these are the transactions we generally use, or multiple transactions that are available in the market, so we need to know information about them. Okay, डायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द ट्रांसमिशन? डायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द डेटा बिटवीन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वैन. ओके, EDI is not the mile transmission facts or of information, nor it nor is it in electronic mail. Okay, both of these transmission type are in free format. Okay, not standard format, and therefore generally required rekeying of data into the receiver कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. सो डायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन होता है, इसमें कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती है. ठीक है, कट डाउन एंड पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन एरर. ह्यूमन एरर काफ़ी आती हैं, अगर यदि पॉसिबिलिटी की चेक करते हैं तो उसको क्या नाम है, रिड्यूस कर देता है उस एरर को ये. ठीक है, ईडीआई के थ्रू फाइल भेजते हैं, तो ये बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मेट है. ईडीआई वुड आल्सो कट डाउन द टेंडेंसी ऑफ ह्यूमन एरर्स. ओके, ईडीआई एलिमिनेट द पॉसिबिलिटी बिकॉज द रिसीविंग and is a computer that simply translate the message that has already been keyed into the system. Okay, and reduce the risk of the lost data. This is also benefit of the EDI. The whether that means that data is physically unable to locate, or if only part of the data has been lost through the numerous steps required to conduct business through the use of paper. Okay, the benefit of the EDA includes how many benefits we can include. A time saving, it's very time saving and time को बचाता है, and associate financing financial savings accrued. Okay, and improve the accuracy. इसमें गलती होने के chances बहुत कम हो जाते हैं, ये accuracy बहुत सरलता से सही काम करने में इम्प्रूव रहता है. ओके, ज़्यादातर डेटा करेक्ट होता है. इम्प्रूव द ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर रिलेशनशिप एंड क्लाइंट इंटरेक्शन. इसमें इम्प्रूव करता है ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर की रिलेशनशिप को और क्लाइंट की इंटरेक्शन को. हम डायरेक्ट कॉल सेटअप कर सकते हैं, ईमेल कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली. ओके, इम्प्रूव रिकॉन्सिलेशन ऑफ ट्रांसेक्शन एक्सचेंज. ओके, ट्रांसेक्शन को एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. ईडीआई मैसेज क्या है? The technical aspect of VDI. The EDI message are passed through the value added network or WAN. In the principle, a WAN is an electronic mail station for holding and passing message. Okay, and service for a WAN would include strong storing and forwarding message communication between the standard data format. Okay, data standard format का communication होता है, एक डेटा एक कंपनी से दूसरी कंपनी में भेजा जाता है. ठीक है, डिटेक्टिंग एंड करेक्टिंग द एरर. अगर यदि कोई एरर को डिटेक्ट किया जाता है, इफ देयर आर एरर अवेलेबल इन द सिस्टम और इन द फाइल, देन वी नीड टू करेक्ट दोज एरर. ओके, मैसेज डिक्रिप्ट एंड इंक्रिप्शन. Message decryption and encryption. We need to just encrypt the message if we are sending the file through the SFTP. After then, receiver can decrypt that message. So these are the information. Okay, and EDI hardware transaction can be passed from many types of the computers like Mac, Unix, or mainframe. Trading partner do not need to use the same type of equipment. EDI message and hardware are hardware independent due to in part of to the X12 standard. The transaction are sent by the dedicated link ISDN or phone lines. Okay, EDA software translation software takes raw and data, arrange it into the XML format or United Nation EDI fact standard on the sender's end. Okay, and mapping software is used to exchange information between the company EDI transaction and its other internal applications such as inventory accounts, receivable, and accounting and ordering. Okay, communication EDI transaction can be done in the several way. Okay, the data can be transmitted and received via the dedicated computer system using the asynchronous by asynchronous. Okay, X12, X400, X25, X400 internet, or other telecommunication standard on and network. Depending on the size of the company and number of trading partners, these methods can occurs in combination with one another or by themselves. Okay, and standardization NCX12, NCASC 12. What is this? This is the very important format we generally use in our daily life. Okay, this is the nation. This is the American EDI standard in the North America is the NCX12 standard. This X12 standard committee is the charged with the developing standard facilitate to the electronic data relating to the order placement and processing shipment and receiving information invoice payment and cash application data. Okay, so basically, what is X12? ADI allows the two trading partners to exchange electronically business document using a common format. One is widely accepted format is called the ADI X12, and it's developed by the American National Standard Institute (NC) Accredited Standard Committee X12. Okay, and this X12 came into being 1979. It has been adopted by various industry. Okay, so everyone should be aware about this. In this X12 EDI standard, these documents are assigned three digits number like 810, 810. Okay, for the invoice 832, for 832 for price and sales catalogs, and 837 for the healthcare claims, and 850 for purchase order, and so on. 34 for the healthcare and maintenance. Okay, enrollment and maintenance as well. So these are the segments we generally use for the EDA effect. What is the EDA effect? The NCX12 standard, the European standard, the as known as the guideline of the trade return change GTDI, and intermediately prior to the formulation of ED facts, European EDA standard had undergone a process of reconstructions by the National United Nation Economic Commission for Europe, UNECE. Okay, authenticity, determining the authenticity of the information transmitted electronically. Okay, this you can be true, real, pure, reliable, trustworthy, having the character and authority of an original, competent, credible, and reliable, and as evidence. Okay, a written requirement. A number of the law required that certain legal documents such as a contract, will, and commercial paper be written on the paper and signed. Existing law, it's clear that something this will be done to clarify the law of the regard to the EDI at this time, and especially in the near future will be great. Okay, so there are multiple laws available for the security of the information of the employees and their data as well. Privacy and security issue must be determined at the outside of an EDI relationship, preferably in the trade agreement. Okay, it's general idea of if an EDI can should be implemented into your processes, identify EDI opportunities, cost effectiveness, analysis and approval, estimate benefit, and estimate invest cost, estimating operating cost, estimating net benefit, net cost, estimating EDI priorities as well. So overall, we have just learned about the EDI and all the things regarding this that, and so just we need to just understand the EDI is worldwide. Due to the case, we just need to aware about the process and deciding which transactions are the best suited for the EDI over the internet will be the function of the accessibility, data security, privacy, and the means of communication. These three areas should be suited carefully when uh, proceeding with the large scale EDI or e-commerce in initiatives. So thank you so much, friends. If you like